before we get started in the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm pretty sure we all had these problems where we had nasty skin texture and our skin is very porous, so what do? We're going to do this. I'm going to use a hydrating serum, a Roseship oil serum, and it's very important to do these steps. I'm also going to use a facial cream that's for hydration. Do not skimp on the hydration on your face before foundation. It is very important and crucial. It's going to help prevent the nasty cakiness, the overall porous look, and the flaky skin. So you're going to grab the hydrating serum and you're going to gently rub into your face, massage into your face. Now massaging your face will help stimulate the collagen and everything else. And what I mean by that, it's going to help stimulate your face into producing, better elasticity and everything. So I'm going to use the jade roller. If you don't have a jade roller, you can also use your hand. But the jade roller helps with puffiness, inflammation, and overall circulation and more benefits. I feel like it does work. So spread out evenly with your jade roller and massage into your skin. Next, we're going to use the Roseship oil. The Roseship oil will help you also with hydrating. We're going to get that extra hydration in there, even out the skin tone, and just get rid of blemishes and all that stuff that you really don't like and hate. So you're going to repeat the same. You're going to massage into your face and into your neck. Just get it all everywhere. And once you get it really even out and massage, you're going to go in with your jade roller for extra stimulation. If you do not have the jade roller, once again, you can use your hands and that's completely fine. So in between the hydration serums, you want them to wait maybe about 5 to 10 minutes between each one to let them absorb into your skin. So you're going to want to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to let the serum settle and just penetrate the skin really deep. So just let it sit in there for a bit, let your skin absorb it, and once your face is more dried up and everything and you let it sit for 10-15 minutes, you're going to grab your hydrating lotion and you're going to apply it to your face with your hands. And you do not use a roller for this one, you're just going to massage that gently into your face. The next thing you're going to want to do is vigorously shake your face and also smack it just like so. No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. So we're going to use a primer, a foundation, a cosmetic wedge, and we're going to grab the primer and just apply it with our fingers and apply it evenly all over the face. I'm also going to apply it to my neck area because that's where we're going to put foundation to make sure the neck is matching your face. Wearing a primer is crucial. It's going to help out with the porous look. Make sure to get a pore type primer if you want to minimize the pore look. You're going to grab your foundation and dab little dots in your face. Don't do too many big dots or a lot of foundation because that's just going to make your face look overall cakey and it's not going to help you with the issue you're having. So I make sure to do small dots, get a little bit on the neck. And we're going to use the cosmetic wedge and we're going to just smudge it around and smear it. And the reason I like these cosmetic wedges is because, one, they're very cheap and expensive. You can use it on multiple people. Just toss them out once you're done. They're $1 for the pack at the dollar store. And it's kind of like having a beauty blender, but just a cheaper version. They do suck up a lot of the product, but that is actually kind of good. If you're not trying to go for that extreme deep cover look, you just want a natural foundation, this is going to help you to make it look really natural since it picks up a lot of the oils, it picks up a lot of the product, and you're just going to keep applying it all over your face and rubbing it in. So we're almost done. You're going to grab your same little sponge. You can flip it over the same side, and you're going to lightly tap into your skin. So you're going to push that foundation into your skin everywhere where you did it. And this is going to help it look a lot more smoother and a lot more natural. So you're just pushing that product in. And you're just dabbing off the excess where you might have had excess. And the last thing we're going to do is spray some setting spray. Now this is by NYX Cosmetics. It's very cheap and inexpensive. So we're pretty much done. As you can see, my skin doesn't have that nasty porous look, the cakiness, or any of that. It pretty much looks like I'm not wearing foundation. It looks pretty natural, and it's all thanks to the routine before the foundation. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that notification button, the like button, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.